Hello everyone. Here at EF Homes, we always want to bring you the latest news of what's happening in real estate today, and we're going to focus on insurance. This is a major issue. This has been going on for a few years now. We've had some major wildfires in the past. Insurance companies have taken some huge hits and posted some big losses on their books. So that cannot be sustained, and what's happening is these companies are basically saying we're pausing, we're leaving, we're changing, we're canceling, we're non-renewing, all these horrible things. And that's what's happening in the real estate climate when it comes to fire insurance for your house here in California. And what are your options? What can you do? Well, right now there's not a lot of options. And here's what's happening. Basically, these insurance companies, keep in mind, these are businesses that are for profit. I mean, this is not, a right that we have, it's a privilege. And so in some ways that might not sound good, but it's just reality. So what do we do to combat this, and how do we deal with it? Well, not ignoring it is the start, and understanding what's happening. We're connected with the best insurance brokers, in the Bay Area, and we're always asking questions. We're getting options for our clients, finding out how can we get them a better rate on their insurance, or what do they have out there. Well, as of lately, with the loss of a lot of companies basically not writing, we've been stuck using what they call the California Fair Plan, which is basically an emergency fund that was not intended to be the primary way a property is insured for fire. However, there's no options in some cases. And you might think that only affects somebody up in the Santa Cruz Mountains in Boulder Creek, or, way in the forest. No, we're seeing this happening within a mile of the beach. If you're close to, a tree grove or a open space, it's parcel by parcel. So there's sometimes, somebody who's in the mountains and their particular parcel doesn't get flagged and they're fine. You need to know this, and so that's why we have all this information. We can easily find out. So again, back to what I was saying, is these funds this wasn't what was intended. If there was to be a major catastrophe, this emergency fund would be depleted, or in some cases insolvent, they've said, where they wouldn't have enough money basically to pay out their claims, which is a huge problem. So where does this all come from? Well, it's politics. I mean, unfortunately, this is something that's been brewing for a while, and there's trying to be some change. There's probably going to be some major proposals on this ballot coming up in November of how insurance companies can combat this risk. And basically they want to be able to treat it similar to earthquake insurance, where they can come up with a module that basically lets them analyze that risk and then charge a rate based on that. We are watching it closely because we don't want to have them have free reign. There has to be some regulation so that rates just don't go out of control. But let's be honest, they already are out of control. In some cases, we're seeing clients paying not just $5,000 or $6,000 a year, but $10,000, $20,000 or $30,000 a year, depending on how expensive and the location of your property. So these are things that you should know about, and that's what we're here to tell you more. And we're always just a phone call, text, or email away, but use it. Please reach out to me if you're not sure about what's going on with insurance on your home. Don't just wait till you get that email or phone call that you're not going to be renewed. So reach out to me. I want to be your resource and look forward to hearing from you. Make it a great day.